Today I'm going to talk about the Google Play Store. This is the Google Play Store as viewed from an Android 4.4 KitKat device. And the Google Play Store really came a long way now. It's actually not that bad in the way that it was actually made. It is, in my sense, better than the Microsoft Windows Store, that's for sure. Is it as good or as easy to go through as the iOS store? I think it's actually well made, as it's very easy to see the different major categories. And the Google Play Store actually has everything inside, because in the iOS, for example, on iPhone, you have a separate app for different stores. For example, you got the app for books, you've got the store for movies, which is iTunes. The different apps and games are in the App Store, which makes different apps do different things. I think here in the same app, they actually made all the categories easy to see, easy to use. And actually, frankly, I think this App Store, the Play Store, is actually not bad at all. So on the left side, you've got apps. Apps are everything that's not, necessarily kind of everything, a game, some utility, or some program like Facebook, or everything is in here. It's really mixed up. And when you click apps, well, you got the own choice, if you want, which is always changing depending on the popularity of different apps. Then you've got top paid, top free, top grossing, top new paid, top new free, and trending right now, which is pretty cool. If you go back to categories, well, you have all the categories that you can actually check for: games, books and reference, business, comics, communication, so on. So you can go through really a lot of different apps. For example, here you want some kind of weather app, you just click weather. Or you can also go on the upper right corner of your phone or the Android device. You have this little search. All you have to do is type here what you want to search for in an app. So for example, if I would like to have, let's say I want to have the Twitter app, then I would put Twitter. And there, behold, I would click and comes the Twitter app that it can install. What's interesting also about the fact of these, it's easy to understand actually in each app in the Play Store how much downloads there were. So here it says 100 million downloads. The overall score is easy to see. What's the score that pretty much everybody is giving to an app? And you've got the social and the similar type apps, so you can click for anything else. You have just below it the view of the app itself. So for example, if I wanted to have this Twitter app, it's quite easy. All you need to do is click the install button, and that's also something that's cool. It tells you very clearly what is going to be accessed by the app itself, and if you accept the condition, then you have just a little download and install, and it's quite easy. Most cases, every app that you install actually go to the kind of the desktop of your phone, or the if you don't see it, because in some instances where it's installed in a different manner, or if the settings are changed on your phone, if you can't see it, then you have an all apps view that you can actually check for. So for example, if I move out and go into my second page, I will see probably the Twitter app usually show up here. If you don't have it, you have these little dots, and that's where you'll go to check for apps. And here's, behold, on the bottom right row, Twitter, which is right here, and I can click and view. Or else you see it here on my page, and you can of course click, hold, and move it around the different areas of your screen, or different screens if you have many apps. So the Play Store is actually very nice for that. I enjoy the way it works. It's actually very easy to understand, And that's why I think it came a long way from the earliest Play Store that was dreadfully difficult to understand and get to work with. And of course you can go back to the Google Play Store and check for different options if you want. If you click Home, you'll go back to the Home and so on. It's also interesting that they not only took time to make apps, and they also took time to have a games category that's easy to click, because a lot of people actually want to play games on their devices. So this is cool. And of course, every category you've got, for example, here in the games, the new games on top, you've got hot deals if you want to have some app that maybe is on sale, or the in-app purchases are on sale. Of course, you've got updated games, so any game that was already in the store that was updated in some way or another. And of course, there's recommendations, and these recommendations are actually sent to you depending on what you have downloaded in the past. So for example, here, Quizzup, it knows that I've actually played this one on another device, and it's one of the suggestions, of course. So this is pretty much how it works, and it's easy to go through. Hope that you actually check out the different categories and the different paid and free. What's nice is there's a lot of free stuff, a lot of paid stuff. There's a lot of free stuff with in-app purchases. Just go through the different options, the different windows here, and check all the categories. Pretty sure you'll find some app that you want to use. That is for sure. And don't hesitate to use the search to partially put maybe a category or something you want to see. So if you enjoy our videos, why not subscribe to our channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. There's lots and lots of videos coming up. If you have any comments or questions on what you've seen, let us know. Maybe you have an app, maybe you have setting something about Android you don't understand, you'd like to need help, you'd like a video maybe to help you, and you'll be helping others at the same time. Let us know, and we'll try to post that video online. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye.